Welcome to nice new project pool villa in Pattaya. They are quite big project, 49 plots, starting with 82 Palangwa square wa of the land up to 152 square wa of the land. Let's see the detail inside. Follow me. There are clubhouse area at the front of the project and a few facilities. Next to me is big swimming pool. Second floor have a gym and nice garden, relaxing area for sitting. Have a working rooms, like if you want to have a meeting with your friends or working, you can use these facilities. Next to me is very nice, a long swimming pool around 20 meters long. On my right hand side have nice garden and play area for the children. So in case if you have children, you can bring them to play here, running around. They make the floor like easy for children running and also have grass floor areas, nice for children. There are public toilets near the common area, separate man and woman, a nice design. Second floor is a fitness room. Follow me to see that. Front of the fitness set up as a fingerprint or the password. The resident can use fitness by scan if you want to open the doors or your card or the password. This is fitness room on the second floor of a facility building. There are machines for running, cycling, and for build up your muscle weight. And on second floor, you will see nice view from swimming pool and garden. When you exercise time, you will feel relaxed and nice. And here I am. Now I'm in front of the house, the show house. There are two types of house here. The land size, as I told you before, is starting with 82 square wa, which is around 330 square meter. And the biggest plot is this one, 611 square meter of land size. The house, living space, 344 square meter, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom with swimming pool, nice decoration, fully furnished, 28,500,000, so 28.5 million Thai baht. Follow me and see inside. This is entrance of the house with nice wood door, dark color. There are 3 car parking space on my right hand side. Left hand side is swimming pool. Of course, you can entrance from the front of the house or from the living room. I will show you after the living room. Welcome area. When you come into the entrance of the house, they have nice welcome area. Double volume ceiling. This is shoe cabinet. You can have so many shoes here or storage for your shoe or something else. When you walk in, you have nice place to put your nice pictures, so you can have your wedding photos or your nice photo here. The house is quite classic design. I would say the inside that you will see like many of the design with the nice curve. They use the color which is like light color. There are many classic design decoration. The furniture is a bit luxury with the gold color. When you come in entrance area, here is living room. I just explained the layout first because it's quite big house. This is living room and the kitchen. This side is 1 bedroom on first floor, another 3 bedroom on second floor. The stairs on my right hand side here. I will first show you the living room and the kitchen, and after that we can go on tour on bedroom. Here is living room with nice furniture and nice decoration, big chandelier, TV area with the TV, built-in cabinet, nice gold design. Here you can exit to swimming pool. Of course, you will have the nice terrace to have a seat near the pool and see the garden around. The nice part of the village, they have quite big road in each house, like not too close much to each other. This is dining area with dining table and 8 chairs. Nice design of the ceiling with curved design. Daikin aircon, ceiling type. Here is another nice part where I like it. You can access to the garden near the house, and they set up as sitting areas. This will be very nice in the evening to sit outside. Next to dining area, of course, is kitchen area. There are two separate kitchen, European kitchen and Thai kitchen inside. The design will come with the marble design top, dark blue color of the cabinet, and some gold design. Come with hot hood, oven, microwave, and a lot of cabinet for your cooking stuff. This color remind me of beach home style, maybe fit for Pattaya, that you have the house not too far from the beach. Next to the European kitchen is Thai kitchen. Big refrigerator here and a lot of cabinet also. Big cooking space, big sink for washing dish. This area I like it. Actually, I like this kind of color more, but yes, maybe some people like blue color. Okay, next to me is the door. You can exit to laundry area. Of course, you can have your washing machine outside, or you can also decide to have washing machine inside this Thai kitchen area and then use outside just to dry the clothes. Also, you can have washing and drying machine inside this kitchen, and also quite convenient. I'm just gonna explain that when you go out of the house and you can walk around the house, when you walk to the left a little bit is the exit to the maid room. I will show you from another side, but you can also exit from this side, so maid can easily come in and house from the kitchen or go out to her room. I show you another side of the house. This is the entrance where I come in first. This side is one bedroom area on ground floor, and the stair on the second floor, maid room to the back. Before I go to the bedroom, I just quick show you the door that you can entrance from the parking. So after you park the car, you can also entrance to this door. There are many more shoe cabinet here in this room. It's very, very nice function, I would say. So when you park your car, you can entrance from this door, put your shoe and your stuff here, and you can also come out to the house. Next to the door from the car park, you will have nice sofa. You can have a seat and relax here, wait for the shoes. Next to this area, guest toilet. So there are 4 bedrooms. Every bedroom have the bathroom inside the bedroom, and one more toilet is guest toilet. So it's here. Yeah, only just the toilet with the sink, no shower. Next to guest toilet is 1 bedroom on ground floor. This bedroom is good if you have old people like your parents, or if you have your guests. It's very convenient to stay ground floor. This is nice design bedroom. Here they use like quite light color with brown bed, which make you feel very like home. And the ceiling is come with the curve, have LED light inside. It's very nice. This room decorate with the real wood furniture. This is the bathroom with the shower. The bathroom is not too big, but yes, it's functional. Shower and mirror, sink, toilet. Yes. That's all. One more area I'm going to show you is maid area, maid room. Show you before that the maid can come from the kitchen, or you can also exit to this room. That's all about first floor, so I bring you to see 3 bedroom more on second floor. Follow me. Second floor. Come up from the stair, you will see nice big living space also on second floor. You can use this area to be living area, cinema, movie area. You can install big TV if you love to watch some TV, movie here, or play game, or working. If you love to work at home, you can also decide this area to be working area, like have big table, your computer. Because next to this behind of me, you will have big balcony where you can also go out to see nice gardens around the village, have a few chairs outside at the balcony. This space is quite nice. You can decide whatever you like. I'll show you 2 bedroom first before master bedroom. 2 more bedroom on second floor on left and right. We go here first. Every bedroom, as I say, have bathroom inside with the shower room. This one is wardrobe and built-in TV cabinet with TV. Bed is queen size. This room you can access also to the big balcony at the front of the house. Opposite side is a bedroom which designed for children if you have a children. Of course, if not, you can change the bedroom design to be other color. Bathroom with shower room, wardrobe, nice supercar. And of course, bed that designed for children, for kids. It's lovely, I like it. And the wallpaper with many of animals like zoo in the jungle. This bedroom no balcony, so actually it's good for kids. This is TV cabinet, you can have TV here. Lovely design. Last spot is super nice master bedroom. Follow me. What I'm going to show you is not many house have it, but I love to have it. It's the bar inside the house. Look how nice is this. So you can serve a drink, you can have many of your liquor, wine, nice glass. Actually nice area for the drink because opposite me, big glass window so you can see outside at the entrance of the house and you can look over it to outside of the house so you can see like garden, some trees on the front. You get the light in, it looks nice. Just missing, I would say, if you have one chandelier there for look more nice. Design of liquor cabinet, I would say, with the wood, dark wood design, real wood, and look nice so you feel like you are in the real bar. Downstairs you can put one of them as a small refrigerator for your cold ice and a lot of cabinet for your cup, glass. Very nice. Next we pass to master bedroom. In master bedroom have nice sofa here for TV, big bed, master bed. Yes, nice built-in, nice ceiling with ceiling type aircon, a lot of cabinet and really big walk-in closet. Women will love it to have many cabinets for your clothes, shoe, bag, cosmetic, perfume, accessory, and nice chandelier here. Nice light, very nice design. Next to walk-in closets, of course, is the bathroom with the nice bathtub, 2 sinks for men, women, toilet, and also shower room. So you can choose to shower normally or just stay nice in the bathtub for your relaxing day. Come to the end. I hope you love this house. I love it too. They are quite nice. Village, as I said, with the facilities, clubhouse, and the house. Every house is big, starting with 330 square meter of land up to 611 square meter of the land as this house. And the design is nice, classic with luxury, modern furniture. If you like our video, please help me to like and subscribe our videos. Every week I will find you a nice and condos in Pattaya. See you guys again next week. Bye!